Hello. Today we will be making waffles from the Betty Crocker cookbook. We are going to make the richer waffles this time. For that we are going to make a double batch, and we are going to need 6 eggs, 3 cups of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, about 4 cups of sifted gold medal flour, 4 teaspoons baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of shortening, soft shortening. Let's get started. We're going to start with about 3 3/4 cups of flour, sifted. That's 3 cups. And here's 3/4 of a cup. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 and 2. 4 teaspoons baking powder. So we do 1 tablespoon and a teaspoon. A teaspoon of salt. Our sour milk, we are using 3 cups. 3 cups of buttermilk. And that looks like it's all of our buttermilk, which is not good. So I like to have a little bit extra. Now we need a lot of shortening. 6 tablespoons, a half cup, or actually a whole cup in this case. We're going to use a 1/4 cup for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can clearly see, we don't have enough liquid. I don't have any more milk. So we're just going to add some water. Now you may be asking why I still have chunks in this, and this is because I used the lard and it wasn't quite warm enough. But we do have a very good consistency right here for waffles. We want it to be slightly thicker than pancakes. So we're ready to go. As you can see, the light on our waffle iron is off. That means it's ready. Going to grab our butter. And use a half cup. Get it nice and even. And close it and wait for the light to go off. There we go, our light turned out. And our waffle is just perfect. And there we go. We just keep at it, and all this batter will be gone in a few minutes.